The front of a wardrobe drawn in 3D is basically a parallelogram. So draw at a slight angle like that and then come all the way down, all the way down. And then we want to copy that angle like that. So we create a parallelogram. They're parallel and they're parallel. And then we can take the wardrobe back. So we get a depth like that. So those two lines are parallel, and then we join them up so that those two lines are parallel. Now across the top we might want a bit of ornament like that. And then I'm going to go up and scroll around. And here I'm going to come up and scroll around. And then we're going to scroll back down and up, scroll back down and up, and then we'll have a little bit of a thing like that, a bit of a thing like that, and then maybe a little thing on the top there too. And you might find there's a bit of sort of carving involved like that. And we can make that all a bit thicker by adding some thickness on the edge there like that. And we can fit in the top of the wardrobe like that. Now we're going to want two pillars on the side, as it were. So this is what the hinges can be stuck on, screwed onto, and then that's going to come down the middle like that. And I think we can maybe put some handles in. This would be a good time to do that. So they will come in there like that. And then we're going to want to have the sides of the doors coming down like that. And then we'll have the top parts of the doors and the bottom parts of the doors like that. And then I think we need to have a little kind of frame all around the bottom as well, holding the whole thing together. And then we can have some little sort of dumpy legs at the bottom. And then we can put sort of a wall in the background, and then maybe a bit of shading like that, just to help put the whole thing on the ground. How to draw a wardrobe. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do more drawing. Bye!